Buster is trying desperately to get these birds. Charlie was till the camera came on. I think he feels like he put on a few, so he's avoiding the camera. As we all know, the lens adds at least 10 extra pounds. This whole bird at the window game goes on forever. Look, it's back over here, Buster. You won't see him? He wants to play. He's over here at the other window. Go get him. Yeah, well, as we have announced many times, you're not the brightest light on the tree, baby. It's a good thing you're pretty. Yes, you are the cutest little thing. Oh, well. That's just a look at the life and the day of Buster Brown the dog. Charlie, too, if he weren't avoiding the camera. He's sitting over here next to me. He's my smart dog.